They say attention is the currency of power, but Machiavelli would have told you it's far more dangerous than gold. Because while most people spend their lives begging for attention, the truly powerful do something far more unnerving. They withhold it, and that single act flips the entire balance of control. The moment you stop feeding people your attention, they start starving for your presence. It's not magic, it's manipulation. A psychological vacuum that makes others chase what you quietly took away. Machiavelli understood that attention isn't something you give freely. It's something you trade strategically. Every time you give someone your focus, you tell them they have power over your emotions. And the second they know that, they own you. Think about it. Most people believe attention equals connection. They chase it, crave it, die for it. They post, argue, flirt, perform, all to be seen. But when someone refuses to play that game, when they stay unmoved by the world's noise, something strange happens. They become magnetic. People can't stop wondering what they're thinking, what they're feeling, why they're so calm while everyone else is desperate. The paradox is brutal. Those who need attention get ignored. Those who deny it become irresistible. Machiavelli would tell you, giving attention is the purest form of surrender, because attention is energy, and energy creates hierarchy. The one who pays attention kneels. The one who receives it stands taller. Every time you over-explain, overreact, or defend your worth, you're telling the world exactly where your emotional leash is tied. Machiavelli's advice? Cut the leash. He believed a ruler, or anyone seeking influence, must learn to command attention, not demand it. And that starts with restraint. If someone provokes you, stay silent. If they expect your reaction, delay it. If they crave your validation, withhold it. Because absence burns deeper than presence. When you speak less, every word weighs more. When you appear less, every sighting becomes an event. In a world addicted to noise, silence is power. Humans can handle hate, rejection, even humiliation, but indifference, that drives them mad. It awakens a primal whisper inside. Why am I not enough for you to notice? Machiavelli exploited that weakness. He knew that when people crave your attention, they start to compete for it. They try to please you, agree with you, serve your interests, just to earn back what you quietly stopped giving. He once said, "It's not cruelty that builds loyalty, it's uncertainty." When your attention becomes unpredictable, people become addicted to earning it. One moment of recognition from you feels like sunlight after a storm. The same law governs every kind of relationship. The colleague who doesn't seek approval becomes respected. The person who doesn't text first becomes desired. The leader who speaks rarely but decisively becomes unforgettable. Because power doesn't always come from dominance. Sometimes it comes from emotional scarcity. Attention is fire. It burns brightly when contained, but turns into chaos when spread everywhere. Most people leak their focus constantly. They react to every insult, reply to every message, argue with strangers online. They think it makes them engaged. It just makes them predictable, and predictability kills mystique. You can't control how people see you, but you can control what they get to see. That's where power lives. Be selective with your reactions. Make silence your weapon, not your weakness. When someone disrespects you, don't defend. Watch. When someone flirts for your attention, delay. When everyone's speaking, pause until your words become an event of their own. Machiavelli said, "Presence is a performance, but attention is the script. And the one who writes the script owns the scene." The crowd never respects the actor who begs for applause. They respect the one who stands still and makes silence louder than speech. That's presence to make people feel your weight, even in your absence. Because the desire to be understood is a trap. The world isn't built to understand you. It's built to consume your energy. When you stop feeding it, you starve the system that kept you small. People will call you cold. They'll call you arrogant. Let them. Their discomfort proves they can feel your withdrawal, and they hate it, because they can't control what they can't predict. Attention isn't affection, it's leverage, and the one who controls where attention flows controls the world. Machiavelli's final law was simple. Stop giving your attention away like charity. Make it sacred. Make it earned. Because in the end, the most irresistible person in any room isn't the one adored by all. It's the one who no longer needs to be adored at all. The one whose absence feels louder than most people's presence. And that, Machiavelli would say, is the highest form of power.